Play with the lemur for a second.
Brittany, stop.
They want that thing. I'll buy one and throw it over.
You can't.
Hide the bag from them again for a second.
You can't throw it over.
They're like, no! Bring it back! We want the lemur. Look, take it out.
How many pictures have you taken on that?
That's cute.
Put like the palms up. They went crazy when you put the little palms up. Look, look, look.
What?
What was the monkeys?
I don't know if they know like whether they want to be like intrigued or offended.
Yeah, they're like, 완전 달라요, 이거.
You're walking. Why don't get off? Why don't get off of there?